Today we discuss about four questions, and first one is the sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 3 less than twice the denominator. If the numerator and denominator are decreased by 1, the numerator becomes half of the denominator. Determine the fraction. Let the fraction be x and y. Let the fraction be x and y. X and y. Fraction x and y. Where numerator is x and denominator is y. The sum of the numerator and denominator of fraction. The sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 3 less than twice the denominator. 3 less than twice the denominator. That is 3 less than twice the denominator. When we solve this, x plus 3 is equal to 2y minus y. X plus 3 is equal to y. Y minus x is equal to 3. And second condition, if the numerator and denominator are decreased by 1. If numerator is decreased by 1 and denominator is decreased by 1, the numerator becomes half the denominator. The numerator becomes, and numerator is what? X becomes half the denominator, and denominator is y. Y upon 2 upon 1. That is going to cancel out, and we get result of x minus y 1 is equal to half. And when we cross multiply, it becomes 2x minus 2 is equal to y minus 1. Then we get 2x minus y is equal to 1. And we have a two equation. Y minus x is equal to 3 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. When we compare both the equations, we get a result of x and y, that is our going to be fraction. In another question, if twice the son's age in years is added to the father's age, the sum is 70. But if the twice the father age added to the son's age, the sum is 95. Find the age of father and son. Let the age of father, let the age of father be x and son's age be y. If twice the son's age, twice the son's age y, added is added to the father's age. Father's age is what? X. That becomes 70. In another condition, but if twice the father age is added to the son's age, is added with son's age, that is y, that becomes 95. And we get two equations. First one is 2y plus x is equal to 70, and second one is 2x plus y is equal to 9. When we compare both the equation, we get the value of x and y, and that becomes father's age and son's age. In another question, A and B are friends and their age differ by 2 years. Age father D is twice as old as A and B is twice as old as sister C. The age of D and C differ by 40 years. Find the age of A and B. Let the age of A let the age of A is equal to x. Then age of B, then age of B is equal to y. Again assumption, A and B are friends and their ages differ by 2 years. X minus y is equal to 2. And we also take a sign of plus minus. If who is greater with respect to other, that's matter. Its father is D is twice as old as its father D is twice as old as A. Twice as old as A. And age what? 2x. D becomes 2x. And, and B is twice B. B is twice as old as his sister C. Twice as old as his sister C. That means we can C is equal to 2B and B is equal to what? B is equal to Y. B is equal to Y. C is equal to 2Y. B is twice as old as his sister C. That means 2Y. And B is B is twice as old as his sister. B is twice as old as his sister. B is twice as old as his sister C. So C becomes B upon C and B is what? Y upon B is twice as old as his sister C. B is twice as old as his sister C. B and here B is twice as old as his sister C. So we get C equal to Y upon. Now equation becomes Sister, see the age of in another condition, the age of D and C differ by the age of D and C differ by 40 years. That means D is equal to what? 2x minus C is equal to what? Y upon 2 differ by 40. That means 4x minus y is equal to 80. We get an equation second. And here we get an equation first. And when we compare both the equation first and second, we get a value of x and y, and that becomes the age of A and B. In another question, father's age is 3 times the sum of ages of two children. After 5 years, his age will be twice the sum of the ages of two children. Find the age of father. Let father's age be x and sum of two children age be y. Otherwise, we can also write it sum of ages of the children be y and sum of two children's age that becomes y plus 2. Here, children age y and sum of two children age becomes y plus 2. We can also solve with this and we got father's age. They even after solving this with this method, we have still a doubt about age of children. That is not mentioned with question what the difference of age in their children. So we can't use this type of method to solve the question. We simply go with this method. So let the father's age be x and the sum of the children's age be y. Father's age is 3 times the sum of ages of two children. Father's age is 3 times the sum of ages of two children. So 3. After 5 years, that means x plus father's age becomes x plus 5. After 5 years, father's age becomes x plus 5. And sum of two children of age becomes y plus 10. When a children grows with 5 years, then another children also grows with 5 years. So we are adding like a y plus 5 plus 5. That becomes y plus 10. So when we after 5 years. So when we relate with equation, after 5 years, his age will be twice the sum of ages of two children. After 5 years, that means x plus 5. After 5 years, his age will be twice his age will be twice the sum of ages of two children. that is y plus 12. And we get an equation, like what? We get an equation x plus 5 2y plus 20. That becomes x minus 2y equal to 50. Well, we get the equation. Well, we put the value of x in equation second, we get a result. Y minus 2y is equal to 50. Y is equal to 50. That means x becomes 45 years. X becomes 45 years. When we put the value of y in this equation, we get a result of 45 years. In another question, the ages of the father is twice that the age of father the x and sum of the ages of two children be y. Now the ages of father is x. What is the sum of ages of two children? X equal to 2. In another condition, after 20 years, ages of father after 20 years, x plus 20. 20 years, ages of father after 20 years, ages of father will be equal to sum of the ages of his children. Sum of the ages of his children and sum of the ages of his children y plus 20 plus 20. Simple. X plus 20 is equal to y plus 40. We already mentioned here in this question. So when we solve this, we get a equation x minus y is equal to 20. When we put 2y minus y is equal to 20, that means y is equal to 20. And x becomes 40. Yes. When we substitute the value of y in x, we get a 40.